Start by marching through, right, left. Get those knees as high as you comfortably can. Swinging those arms, keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. Really step to the side and back. Keep the arms gentle for now because we're just warming up. Marching on the spot again. Try and keep those feet nice and soft, keeping the head up, shoulders relaxed. Ready to side step, this time to the left, stepping together. March on the spot. Let's add some arms. Push them forward, forward and back. So I'm reaching forward, touching my shoulders. If that doesn't feel comfortable, take it lower, that's fine. So I'm really pulling the elbows back, trying to keep them up high, shoulder height. We're going to add some arms when we go to the side steps. Join in when you're ready with the step, side step to the right. And an L shape. If that's too much, make it smaller. Change direction. Out to the left first. Really feel those shoulders start to burn. If it's too much, leave them out. And march it through. Bring it forward. So now you've got the arms going. Try and lift the knees a little bit higher. March it 2 forward, 2 back, forward and back. Let those arms relax for a moment. Shake them out if you need to. Ready for the side steps. Ready to change direction to this way with the arms. Ready to change. Start with side steps. Keep it nice and small. Change direction. Change side. Change direction. Change for 2. 2. Single steps forward. And clap if you wish. Really pulling those arms back. Just watch you're not going to hit the wall behind you, she says, carefully looking behind her. Last time. 4, 3, 2, and back. 4. 2 steps. And back. Side steps forwards. And keep it on the spot if you haven't got room, or make the movement smaller. Back. Hold it here, singles. We're going to take that step to the other side, so 2 steps and singles. Marching forward and back. With a toe tap, or if you wish, a knee lift. If you haven't got much room, you can always take it sideways on your mat. I'm going diagonally so you can see what I'm doing. Coming straight forward is fine. Work with the space you've got. Toe taps if you need to. If you're feeling a bit overheated, if you're really breathless, then please take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake it out.
There is only one of you, only one of me.
March it through.
There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. 'Cause baby, I got you.
Side steps, 2 and back. Well done.
I've been scared to live 'cause some people never learn.
The rib cage going up and down. Try and keep the shoulders relaxed.
Baby, I got you.
Take it to a grapevine if you can. So step, cross behind, step, together. Step, cross behind, step up to speed.
They can try, but they can never take me down.
Swim with the arms and pull back.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring out the lonely, but with you
We're going to change it on the end. So hold it here, 2 out to the side and back. Either double steps or grapevine, whatever works for you.
I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about their feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter.
Hold it here, 4, 3, 2, other side.
It's a new beginning and a better life.
2 each side.
Dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down.
Grapevine and back.
I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid,
Well, a little hop on the end if you really want. Next time on the end, we're going to hold it there and tap out, or knee lift.
nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not
But keep it with the toe tap if you want to keep it lower. Going to change it next time. Hold it here for a moment. Little side steps, catch your breath. When we go back to it, we're going to go with a box step at the end. So out, out, in, forward and back if you can. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2. Grapevine. Box step. Forward, forward, together. Grapevine. Box step. Grapevine. Box step. Grapevine. Do what feels right with the arms for you. For me, it's a swim. Inside leg first. Inside leg first. But whatever works for you, whatever your weight, the weight on your feet works. You know what I mean. Last one. Hold it here, single side steps. Let's change that to a toe tap, adding a reach